Hi, um, I'm going to demo the app that we built. It was a project, our team project this week. It was a fun app to work on. So this is how I'm going to show you guys how that works. So let me, create a new. I'm going to create a new ID here, and when I click here, it says you seem to be a new user, please sign up, because yes, this is not an account, it's a brand new account. So once I go there, it takes me up to the sign up form. Now I can do I sign up, and oh, this is just saying because I'm just using a simple password, just a test password, so you can ignore this. Okay, this is the page they're starting off. They don't have anybody chosen yet as a for like a gift person, or my circle of the circle of friends who I'm planning to buy gift for. So it's empty at this point. So I'm going to add a gift person. So let's say the person is 45. Price limit is going to be 100. They like music, so I'm going to add that interest. Submit, and this takes to me just to the profile page of just that person. Okay, and if you see, automatically based on these two criteria, that is their budget and interest, we have a global database which people can input different kinds of gifts they liked or something like that. So this is like a global database. So based on the budget and the interest, we are trying to match, okay, is there any matching criteria? And yes, we do have two matches. So if they don't like this match, maybe they can actually go in, uh, and look for something else. So let's say we have flute and harmonica. Let's say he's looking for a saxophone. Um, Saxophone. Now we are doing an API call to Amazon through Rapid API. So it's going to look for, okay, 10 topmost selections. So here we got. So I think I'm going to choose with the first one. If I do this, if you see here, it added that to my choice. So not only that, I can go in the future. This is all, the data is all persists persisted in MySQL database. So anytime, I can go here, whenever I log into my account, I can see all my friend circle that I have added for giving gift. And then I can, any choices that I've made for them, it's there. So if I go here, I actually can go back and look at the link where I found it, and be able to actually buy it from there. Now maybe I say, okay, this is good, but I think I like the flute too. I'm going to get the flute for him too. So I choose a gift. So if you see, I got him two. Let's say maybe initially I thought I want to add a harmonica, so that also added, but then I changed my mind. I removed it. So you see, it's all removed. So this is how it works, how this page works. And let's say, I every time, on a regular basis, I buy some particular gift for somebody, and it's not in the database. Maybe I want to add that. So I can go to the add uh, favorite gifts database, and these two, both of them go to the same place, but since they both have a view of the gifts and option to add, I kind of wanted to keep this separate. So if you guys, let's say go here, so I can see on the left side, this is all the global database has all this inputs. And so now I'm planning to add a new gift. So let's say I want to maybe give him a scarf. I don't know if it's music. Maybe I want to give him um, drums, or drums. Maybe it is like not that, maybe it's $90. I'm going to add Amazon. Maybe this is where I want to go and look at later. And I'm going to say music. Okay, so once I save it, it's saved in our database. And then it's not ordered in any list. It's just as you add new, it will, it just shows up here. So it's not sorted in any specific order or something. Maybe that's kind of for future. So we go back to this view circle. Now, basically his expense, we said the budget is 100, but now the total expense is actually more than what, but anyway, so this is something, a feature we like to have, but as we add more people, we might, kind of see the same red color, even though they might be under budget. So something we are working on. But if you see, this is the individual budget, total cost or price or expense of the gifts, and this is the overall one. So let me go back to this search gift, and if you see initially, so this is the new one that we added, also matched to this his criteria of budget is 100 and music is music interest. So it kind of shows. So in case if we still want, we can add. So now let's go back. Let's add a few more people to our thing. I'll say Bob. Let's say he's 50 and his budget is, let's say, 400, and he is a computer guy. So let me check. So he's added. I believe our interest for this ones are saved as communication, but so this, so each person we can go back. So you have the other, the person added here. Let's add another person. Gift add Max. So he's 10. This is our dog, Max the dog. And he has $100 and he likes food. So I'm going to submit that. You see, these are some food items that were in the global database that was under the budget. So this got added. I'm sure he will enjoy all of this. If I go here, it goes to Chuck and Don. This is something when we added the gift before, it was saved. So now I'm going to add this to stuff. I'm going to go back to my circle. If you see, everything has added. Based on as we add new folks, things get added. So now going to Bob. So I'm go. Oh, before that, let's say how we delete it. Now I'm going to delete this person. Okay. But if you see there is a unauthorized delete, you may have gifts associated with the user because of the primary key and all the constraint that was set up with all this multiple tables. So since the login user, or sorry, since this individual user has multiple gifts attached to him, he, you're not at this point, you're not cascading the delete, so it doesn't allow you to delete. So what ideally, if really we want to delete, then we go back, remove the gifts, and then go back and delete. But if it's like in this case, he doesn't have any gifts attached to him, so I should be able to just delete this person. And if you see, he's deleted. So I think that's about it. We have covered everything. We covered this, and going back to the view circle is kind of the main thing page. So I think hopefully, I was able to explain this clearly. Hopefully you can, this is something everybody can try, work with the upcoming holiday season. Hopefully this will help with, making this planning easier. Basically, don't freeze, make your Christmas gift planning a breeze. Thank you for watching.